But I do want to talk about Google Ads because, I mean, you and I both know that Google Ads are like the high velocity way to get search traffic to your website. So I know you cover this in the book in depth, and that they're a really powerful, tool for attracting Hispanic prospects. Can you talk a little bit about why this seems to be the case?
Well, it's not just about, right, what we've just mentioned a few minutes ago, that people go to Google to find the answers to things that they don't know and to find help of service providers of things that they need help with. There is an added component when you're looking at the Hispanic market, right? And that's that the way they go a lot about interacting with Google is they use it as a means to something else, to the next step. And so what we are seeing based out of more than 10 years focused in the Hispanic market in digital platforms is that they like ads. The reason why they like search ads is not only because they're on the top of the page, they're visible, and many times when they're properly crafted, they speak specifically to their intent. They answer their questions. And it basically creates a shortcut to the next step that they want to go to, which is getting on the phone with a lawyer or someone from a law firm to answer their questions, right? And that's where they make the decision, I'm hiring this law firm or not. That's when they'll decide whether they'll give you and trust you with their case or not. It's with that personal interaction. And that's why I cannot stress enough how critical intake is going to be for your Spanish marketing strategy. You can have the best strategy in the world. If you do not deliver at intake, it's not going to reach its full potential. You may still sign clients, you may still get cases, but you're not going to really be able to squeeze really every single bit of return on investment that you could from that strategy. So you have here not just a less competitive set of keywords that tend to also be more affordable in pay-per-click in Spanish, but you also have a market that is more likely to click on ads than your average English speaker. And that's a fact. Like we've have so much data on these click-through rates on Spanish campaigns far exceed the average click-through rate on the legal industry. So the average click-through rate in the legal industry fluctuates anywhere between 3 to 4%, right? On search ads. We don't have an account that has less than 10%, right? Wow. And we have accounts that have more than 50% click-through rate. Wow. But just think about that 50% click-through rate. And these are not branded campaigns. These are actual practice area campaigns. And so there is a massive opportunity there because the intent is there, because you have a market that actually likes ads, because they know that what's on the organic search results tend to be very mediocre. There's not a lot of very interesting pages from law firms that have taken the time and steps and efforts to create amazing or practice area pages with video, with infographics, interactive, that load fast, that have information that it's useful for them, that it's written in a language that is conversational to them, right? And so the ads help them find what they need fast and efficiently and get them to the next step where they want to just talk with someone and realize, is this actually the right thing for me or not, right?
Now that is extremely interesting.